This is episode 89. And on this episode, it's going to be our last one from Capitol Reef. We did two hikes. These two were actually before we went into the campground, and it was Chimney Rock and Navajo Knobs. And on Chimney Rock, you can see that the chimney from the highway, from the road that goes all through into Capitol Reef. So what it's just we just climbed up, and then you can see it from the top, and then we had some great overviews, looking out like where the campground was and stuff, and then just did a loop around. So it was a little over 3 miles. So I mean, it had some neat views. And then Navajo Knobs, that one we started. It's the same trail as Hickman Bridge. But we started from the campground of Hickman Bridge and then came and then crossed the road. And then that's where Navajo Knobs and Hickman Bridge start. And we did the overlook of Hickman Bridge where you could see it. And but it had some outstanding views. There was an overlook. Some people just hiked to the overlook. It was a lot of slick rock, and we would just go straight up the slick rock, and then we go over, and then we go straight up the slick rock. So it had quite a bit of elevation. I think it was rated as strenuous, but we went early in the morning. We kept thinking it was going to rain on us, but it never did. So we did these two back to back, and then after that is when we moved into the campground. But they definitely had some awesome views, and there was some great hiking there in Capitol Reef. So I hope you enjoy this episode.
Okay, here's the Chimney Rock. So we gotta climb twice. We gotta go up, down, up.
So then on the way out, we're gonna have to go up, down, up.
I don't know. Yeah, it's confusing, but anyway, there's Mummy Cliff. All right, there's our loop.
So we're up. There's Chimney Rock from another view. We're up 509 feet. We almost got a mile. So this is, I just want to do the surrounding view. It's pretty gorgeous. I guess we're going up there. I think Jody's already up there. So, pretty awesome.
To the edge of the entrance to the park. Pretty neat being up here and seeing the cars go by. Way up there on the right side. We're already down here. How far have we come, Michelle? We got about a mile. Less than a mile and a half back to the car. And what's our altitude or our elevation? Oh wow, that's all we came up. I guess it's a gradual up over there, I'm pretty sure. Looks like. Yeah.
We're making our way out, and this view is just amazing. I love the blue sky and the white fluffy clouds. But this is coming out. We're going along there. It's just a gradual climb out. It's not the super steep like we climbed up it, but yeah, that's where we came from. So I just thought that was really pretty. You can see all the way back in there. So.
How far are we in?
Not even a mile.
Are you serious? We're not even a mile yet to the rim's 2 miles. What's our elevation?
Oh, only 300 feet.
What? Gee, Manetly. Only 300 feet. That means we got about 1,300 more to go. Oh my, this is gonna be a long, tough hike. Toughest one we've done since we left Missouri back in November. Four 4.7 miles, 1,620 feet elevation. And we ain't even a mile and we're only 300 feet up. Oh my gosh. Seems like more than that, but whatever. Okay, there's the Hickman Bridge overlook.
No, we're at the Hickman Bridge.
That's what I just said.
Oh, I thought you said there.
Yeah, well, I did. So you can see.
It's kind of hard to tell that way without your sky.
Yeah. Hickman Bridge is over there. That's what we're going to hike to on Thursday from the campground. All right. Onward and upward.
I don't know how well you can see it. It looks like it's pretty shadowed, but that's just amazing out there. All the white rock. It's so crazy because we're out of the red and it's all white through here. It's pretty neat. Beautiful morning so far.
Okay, so we're at the rim overlook. There's the visitor center. You can see orchards down there. Over here is the campground where we're going to move to tomorrow. So, yeah, we're way up here. Then you can see the road down through there. So, anyway. How far?
2.3.
In elevation?
1,100.
Really? Wow. It says we only have 2.2 to go.
Yeah. It's kind of scary.
Well, I thought we were only, on the map it says 1.9 to here, and then it says 2.8 from here.
Yeah, it ain't no 1.9.
I know where we're headed. On top of that peak right there. There's 2 people up there already, at least 2. The guy that was with us earlier, and now there was a guy that beat him up there. Somebody was already up there this morning. So we got a ways to go up, not a ways as far as distance, but it's up there. It's gonna be a tough scramble at the end. I can tell already. Over and out.
So we're going up there. You can see people up there. So that's the Navajo knobs. So we're headed up there now. We're in 4.5 miles basically, and 1,752 feet up. So, but that's where we're headed, right up there. So.
I should have recorded the scramble up to the top because it was crazy. Holy cow. I'll have to record it going down. That's the visitor center. the road down in the park. Holy cow. I don't know if I want to sit here and eat. It's giving me too queasy. I think I'm going to eat over there by our things and sit over there. Then I won't be so tense.
So this is the other side of Navajo Knobs. We're up, we're getting ready to climb down to get something to eat and stuff. But Jody videoed the visitor center side, but this is the other side. Pretty amazing lookout, so.
We'll see how you can see on us going down. See. Oh my gosh. I should have just carried one pole. Oh. Maybe it's easier down than up. I don't know. I don't know. It's a lot steeper than it looks on camera. I can tell you that much. Chimney Christmas. Oh. Michelle, are you making your way down? Oh, great. Jeez. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Michelle? Yeah? You coming down? Yeah. Okay. All right. She does good for a woman that's scared of heights. And there's the trail we hiked yesterday. You can see it from here how much lower it is than us. Came down, climbed up to that ridge, came all the way down and back around yesterday.
So we're making our way out, but see this right here up to there? That's what we got to climb. That's the kind of stuff we've been climbing. It's just a straight shot up on slick rock. It's not like switchbacks, or it's just like straight up. So we left the top and came down, and I ate some energy chews, and Jody ate a little bit and drank some water, and then we're heading out. It's getting kind of cloudy back that way, so we had a lady in front of us, and she's super worried about the rain, or not that much, but anyway, so that's the kind of stuff that we got to climb. So we're making our way out. Oh man, my back. That's Castle Rock right there. It's actually pretty cool. I'll get around these trees so you can see it. I took some pretty good pictures of it, but there it is right there. Castle Rock. It's got some really neat stuff down below it. The formations, but right there, that little set of white mountain or white rock formations is where we were. That's Navajo Knobs. And we're making our way, so we had to climb all that. And then you go around and then you have to scramble up to the top of it. So we're making our way up the other one that I videoed. But that's Castle Rock, and the visitor center's down there, but it's hidden right now. And we're boondocked out that way. It's gorgeous. So we're making our way down. We've met quite a few people now coming down. I'm glad we came early. And down there, I don't know if you can see it. I can't zoom with steady on, but they're parked on the street, and there was only 2 cars in the parking lot when we got there. But it's just really cool throughout there, and then all the different layers, and you get into the red rock there. Keeps acting like it's gonna storm, but anyway, so we can actually see the parking lot. We are 2,283 feet and 7.69 miles. So we still have about 2 miles. So there's a longhorn sheep, but it's a baby. He's just got little prongs. Here he goes. We're down off the trail next to the road and the creek again, so.
I hope you enjoyed that episode. Thank you for watching. Today is August 26th, Saturday. We actually just spent the day up in Springfield, Mom and I, and visited Madison and hung out with her and played some games and stuff. So we actually got back home in Missouri on Tuesday. We were going to get back Wednesday, but we decided to do just a long day on Tuesday and go ahead and get home. Because that heat was just following us and it was terrible. So we just wanted to get home and not have to worry about the cats and stuff back in the RV. We actually brought them up to the truck on Tuesday because it just got way too hot. So we're back in Missouri now. We'll be here until after Christmas. So we've got Bryce still left to do. And then we'll have the Sawtooth and some time in Great Falls with Devin and with in Glacier, and then we've got Yellowstone and the Tetons. So we'll still have some videos coming out. So We appreciate your support. And like Jody said, remember, God loves you and Jesus saves you. See ya.